Welcome all of you for this YouTube channel. Today I would like to share about the introduction of production planning and control. After the introduction, I would like to share about the objectives of PPC. PPC is a short form of production planning and control, and subsequently, if time permits, we can see the steps of or procedure of PPC. Okay, so at first you should know what is production planning and control. Okay, and this production planning control deals with the three different activities. First one is finding the market demand. Okay, first one is finding the market demand, and second one is plan to meet that demand in the market. Okay, you should identify the demand. What is the demand? What is the product demand in the market? And second one, you should plan to meet that demand. Okay, how you can meet the demand by means of manufacturing or by means of buying some raw material and making it to finished product, etc. Okay, and the third one is monitoring and controlling the workflow in order to meet the demand. Okay, in order to meet the demand, you should monitor the workflow inside the manufacturing or inside the factory or manufacturing unit. Okay, in order to meet the demand. Okay, so that's all about the production planning and control. Okay, so next I would like to share. So this slide shows the objectives of production planning and control. So before entering into this topic called objectives, I'd like to share one example of PPC. Okay, so as you all are aware about the mineral water, which is highly demanded product in our area. Okay, so if you having a desire to install a new RO plant on your land, first of all, what you should do, you should go to the market and identify the demand, how much quantity is needed of the product. Okay, and how you can meet that demand, how much you can contribute in order to meet the demand. Those things you should identify. Okay, go and meet the people and you can collect the data. Okay, after getting the data, what you can do, you should that is in financial side. I am not speaking it now. Okay, so after that, what you can do, you should plan to meet the demand. Okay, so uh, this much quantity you should meet, okay, within a month. Okay, you should fix the target and collect the materials or the manufacturing systems are needed in order to meet the demand. Okay, so you should plan accordingly. Okay, so after installing the RO power plant, what you should need, you should do next. What is the next procedure? You should monitor. Okay, you should monitor the system, or you should monitor the whole process. Okay, and if you find any deviation, you should control. Okay, you should control the whole system. It should rectify and control the whole process. Okay, so in order to meet the demand, then only you can supply frequently the product into your market, and also you can sustain in the market. Okay, continuously. Okay, so this subject focusing on these three areas only. Okay, first one is finding demand of the product in the market. Next one, plan. Okay, planning to meet the demand, and third one is monitoring and controlling the process flow or workflow, okay, inside the manufacturing system or manufacturing unit. Okay, so next, so now you know the importance of PPC. Okay, so now we can move on to this slide, which shows the objectives of production planning. Okay, so I have mentioned eight, not eight, 12 objectives. Okay, among these 12, I have found seven important objectives of PPC. Okay, first one is meet the customer demand. You should meet the customer demand. Okay, right time. Okay, in the right place. Okay, you should meet the customer demand. Second one is maximize resource utilization. Okay, so if you're running a RO power plant, you will be having labors also. You should properly utilize their skills, and also you should properly utilize your machineries also. Okay, so those things you should plan. Uh, then third one is minimize cost. Okay, you should minimize the production cost, then only you can provide the end product to the end user at low price, okay, or competitive price. Okay, fourth one is maintain quality standard. If you compromise the price, you should not compromise its quality. Okay, quality of the product. Next one, fifth one is improve productivity in order to meet the demand. Sixth one is maintain flexibility. So if any changes in the market, your system should also adapt the changes, and it should have the ability to what, ability to flexible according to the market demand. Okay, so last one is reducing lead time. Reduce the lead time, so which is nothing but the minimize the time, production time. Okay, in order to meet the customer demand. So that's all about the objectives of production planning. This slide shows the steps in production planning and control. So there are 6 steps. First one is planning, routing, scheduling, loading, dispatching, and follow-up. Final one is follow-up. So these steps in production planning and control, I will provide it in your next video. And today, in this video, you might have learned about the production planning and control, a need of the production planning and control, and the importance of the production planning and control, and finally I explained about the objectives of PPC. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.